welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Christina. I'm 22 years old and I currently live in Paris for my master's degree. I also don't always look like this, but I just showered after I got back from the gym, showed you guys this morning, and I just finished eating breakfast. And I just wanted to take you guys along my day. We're gonna have a nice fall day. I'm really embracing the fall weather while it's here before it gets too cold. It's currently Tuesday, October 12th, and I actually have no class today on Tuesdays. So I booked myself a little museum visit. I forget the exact name of the museum, but I'll show you guys later. But it's like a Paris Vogue exhibit celebrating 100 years. I don't really know what to expect, but I'm really excited to go. So that's at 12:30, and it's currently like a little bit past 10 right now, so I think I'm gonna get a little bit of reading done actually for class tomorrow, and then get ready and go to that and see where the day takes me. But if you're new here, make sure to stick around and like this video. Hello, so I just frantically got ready and my hair is still a mess and I don't love my outfit, but I'm kind of running behind. It took me a little bit longer to do like my reading than I expected, but I'm just wearing this top from Zara. This skirt is from Minga London, and then I'm wearing some loafers. I think I got them at like TJ Maxx or something, but I'm just eating some crackers and some hummus very quickly because I have to go in like 2 minutes. But I'm very excited to go, even though I'm kind of like all over the place and rushing, but it's still gonna be fun. Hi, so I'm back in my apartment now. I just ate lunch as you guys saw, I had some sushi in edamame. I just got avocado sushi. Very simple, but it hits the spot every time. But yeah, I just picked it up after the museum visit. So like I said before, I was celebrating 100 years of Paris Vogue. It was pretty cool. It was a bit shorter than I was expecting. I think I was only in there for maybe like 20 minutes, but overall it was really cool. Like they set it up very nicely, lots of nice colors, and I definitely recommend if you are in Paris. I think it's running until January, if I'm not mistaken. So if you find yourself in Paris, I definitely recommend it. So I wore a skirt and I definitely regret that because it was a bit hectic. It was very windy outside and I didn't realize that until like you try to walk around and like you're like looking at your phone, looking at like directions or like using the metro, and the wind just was not good. I did not have it under control. But yeah, now I'm back and I'm a bit tired. But I think I'm just going to clean up my apartment a little bit because I was rushing out the door. So I kind of just have clothes thrown everywhere. And then I'm probably gonna do some reading for class. I wanted to come on here and show you guys the reality of living in Paris and only having a washer and not a dryer, is that you literally have to hang your clothes up everywhere, and it takes so long for them to dry because there's not like a ton of sunlight that comes in. So yeah, let me show you. It's so funny. Literally all over my closet, bathroom door, over here, back of my chairs, literally just everywhere. Actually starting after doing like a bunch of cleaning and reading for school. I am like mentally drained right now and I just want to eat something like really quick for dinner because I don't have the energy to like make anything. So this is really lame of me, but I'm literally gonna make ramen and tofu and probably just like some cucumbers. Really simple, really easy, but I just cannot bring myself to make anything that requires extra effort. So that's what we're gonna do, and it's really like nice outside, but I don't think I'm gonna go outside. Just admiring it. So yes, let's let's go make some ramen and listen to some Taylor Swift while we cook. Hello, I just wanted to come on here and end my video. I have officially remade my sofa into my bed again, which means it's almost time for me to go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm just gonna sit here and watch Gossip Girl for the rest of the night and probably some other YouTube videos. But like I said, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to check out the other videos on my channel as well. But yes, thank you for watching.